Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome on board to the judges and also audiences. Today, I would like to introduce the Phonetics card, an innovative learning aid designed for TESL students at University Selangor. This tool revolutionizes the way phonetics and phonology are taught, making learning more effective and engaging. Teaching phonetics effectively has always been challenging. For the context, this may result as the subjects focus on complex symbol system of IPA. For many learners, phonetic symbols are entirely new and unfamiliar. Unlike letters in the alphabet, which are learned from a young age, phonetic symbols are typically introduced later and require a different kind of learning. Not only that, we also need to acknowledge that the traditional method often lack of engagement and fail to cater to diverse learning needs. TESL students in particular struggle with phonetics, which hinders them in mastering the language. Hence, our solution is the Phonetics card. Phonetic cards offer a fresh approach with visually engaging materials. Ranging subtopics mainly touch on the parts of speech of production with the inclusion of symbol of both consonant and vowel. This useful tool includes very detailed diagram of articulatory phonetics, the introduction of vital symbol in phonetics, as well as the quadrilateral chart to enhance deeper understanding of the monophthong, diphthong, and triphthong. This innovation was inspired by the already existing tools for students at secondary level, but with the addition of the newly standout feature of QR codes, it may serve the tertiary level student, specifically those learning phonetics and phonology. Through the usage of scanning this code, it provides audio example of sound, making the learning process interactive and comprehensive. As for the new features, it's more likely the addition of the card being waterproof design, long-lasting durability as each one of the card being laminated, and the enhanced ability where students can simply QR the codes when they want to listen to the correct sound of phoneme. On how to use the phonetics card is actually pretty straightforward. Firstly, the student will use this card when they have been asked to answer the question in class, quiz, or for revision purpose. Secondly, the usage of QR code 100% promotes correct pronunciation of phoneme. And lastly, the student will be able to understand more on the subtopics of voicing, place, and manner of articulation using the provided charts and diagram. This method ensures a multisensory learning experience, reinforcing both visual and auditory learning. Phonetics card is a powerful tool in language learning because they combine visual and auditory learning, reinforce phonetic understanding, and engage multiple senses for effective learning. This visual-auditory combination aids in reinforcing phonetic understanding as learners can see and hear the sound simultaneously, creating a more holistic learning experience. Additionally, the use of phonetics card engages multiple senses, seeing the symbol, hearing the sound, and possibly even speaking to them out aloud, which enhances memory retention and makes the learning process more dynamic and effective. The feedback from our initial survey has been overwhelmingly positive. A total of 170 students from phonetics class indicate that it is easier for them to figure the correct symbol and sounding after using the card. Hence, it could be deemed as students show a significant improvement in understanding the speech production. As one of the linguistic educators, all I can hear are the praises coming from the other academicians for the card ease of use and effectiveness. This testimonial highlights the marketability and the potential widespread adoption of phonetic card in TESL program at UNICEF. In conclusion, phonetics card may represent a significant advancement in TESL education. By combining visual aid with interactive technology, it indeed offers a comprehensive solution to the challenges of teaching phonetics and phonology. With this, we gladly invite you to explore this innovative tool and see firsthand how it can transform phonetics learning for your student. Until then, thank you very much.